Welcome to Compare to Win. The best fake makeup set is probably one of the most exciting and imaginative toys available for children, offering a safe and fun way for them to explore their creativity and emulate the adults around them. But with this particular set, we're diving deep into whether it truly delivers on its promise of realistic play or falls short of expectations. So stick around as we break down every glittery detail and plastic piece to help you decide if this is the right choice for your little aspiring cosmetologist. Number 5. Litti Pritti Toddler Makeup Kit. Introducing the Litti Pritti Toddler Makeup Kit, a fun and safe way for your little one to explore their creativity. This 11-piece set is perfect for imaginative play. Made from safe materials like plastic, foam, and rubber, this pretend makeup offers endless fun without any real liquid. It's designed for worry-free, everyday play. Designed specifically for toddlers aged 3 and up, each piece is sized just right for little hands. It encourages creative expression and gives them a grown-up feel safely. This set includes a compact mirror, blush, eyeshadow, lipstick, nail polish, lip gloss, glitter pot, and 3 brushes. Everything neatly fits into a stylish cosmetic bag. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This fake makeup kit is perfect for birthdays or any occasion. It inspires dress-up games and keeps your child entertained with realistic pretend tools. The included zip bag makes it easy to carry this toddler makeup kit anywhere. It's perfect for travel, sleepovers, or simply keeping toys tidy between play sessions. What we like? This set is designed with little hands in mind, offering a realistic feel without any actual makeup. If you're looking for a mess-free introduction to pretend play for your toddler, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for encouraging creative expression and a sense of independence during playtime. What people say. It is not actual makeup that comes off but looks just like the real ones, and the lip gloss and nail polish both come out with a real brush that can be played with but not actually put anything on, which is perfect for our little fancy girls who don't actually need the mess of makeup but want to pretend. This set is absolutely adorable for little ones. It feels very high quality and is just about as realistic as you can get for pretend makeup. The lipsticks are telescoping, the nail polish and lip gloss have screw-on lids with brush wands attached, the bag feels premium, and the glitter pot has real glitter texture that stays in place. Excellent réplique d'une trousse de maquillage. Les produits sont de qualité supérieure et leur apparence est très proche de la réalité. Number 4. Tepsmigo Pretend Makeup Kit for Girls. Introducing the Tepsmigo Pretend Makeup Kit, designed for endless hours of imaginative fun. This set provides a realistic play experience without any of the mess. Inside, she'll find pretend eyeshadow, lipstick, glitters, and more, all accompanied by real brushes for an authentic feel. It all neatly fits into a charming carrying case. Encourage role-playing and exploration as she interacts with friends. This kit helps boost social skills and fine motor development through engaging pretend play. Crafted from eco-friendly materials, this toy makeup is completely pretend, safe, and non-toxic. Enjoy worry-free fun with no actual coloring or mess. This delightful makeup bag is perfectly sized for little hands to manage. It keeps all her pretend cosmetics organized and ready to go anywhere she does. Ideal for birthdays, parties, or just because, this fashionable set is sure to delight any little girl. It's perfect for dress-up, playdates, and early learning fun. What we like? This option stands out with its inclusion of real brushes, offering a more authentic pretend play experience. If you want to foster your child's social skills and hands-on abilities through imaginative role-playing, this is a great pick. It's ideal for playdates and encouraging interaction among children. What people say. The makeup kit looks very realistic, which is perfect for little ones who love to pretend play. The cosmetic bag that comes with it is stylish and compact, making it easy for my niece to carry around and organize her makeup like a grown-up. The colors and designs of the makeup pieces are vibrant and visually appealing, which adds to the excitement for kids. The kit comes with everything a little makeup enthusiast could want: lip gloss, nail polish, blush, and more. My niece had hours of fun playing with all the different items, mixing and matching for beauty looks. The size of the makeup items is ideal for young children to handle. My niece had no trouble using the different pieces, and everything is lightweight, making it easy for her to hold and play with. Number 3. Beverly Hills Pretend Makeup Toy Set. Introducing the My First Princess Cosmetic Beauty Set from Beverly Hills. It's designed for little girls who love to explore their creativity. This delightful kit includes everything your little one needs to feel like a princess. It features blush, lipstick, lip gloss, eyeshadow palettes, brushes, a mirror, and a stylish makeup bag. Keep playtime exciting and clean with this pretend makeup kit. It's the perfect way for toddlers to emulate mom without any real makeup mess. Rest assured, this makeup set is completely pretend, made from safe foam and plastic. There are no harmful chemicals, and it won't leave any stains. Surprise your little girl with this adorable makeup set. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. This set is perfect for playdates and parties, encouraging imaginative play. The cute, girl-themed colors make it even more engaging for kids. What we like. This kit provides all the fun of makeup without any of the mess, making it perfect for parents who want a clean play experience. If your child loves to imitate you and wants their own grown-up beauty tools, this is an excellent choice. It's designed for toddlers who enjoy dress-up and imaginative play. What people say. The makeup set is a great gift for little girls. It comes with a variety of pretend makeup items, including lipstick, eyeshadow, and blush. The fake nails are a fun addition and add to the realistic play experience. Number 2. Kids Real Cosmetic Makeup Set. Embark on a magical journey of color and creativity with this adorable makeup kit. It's perfect for dress-up and pretend play, helping to spark imagination. This comprehensive set includes everything needed for endless makeup fun. With powders, lipsticks, brushes, and more, it satisfies every creative whim. Designed with safety in mind, this makeup is non-toxic and gentle on skin. Plus, it's easily washable with soap and water, so play can continue without worry. Looking for an enchanting gift? This makeup kit is ideal for birthdays and holidays, offering a wonderful introduction to the world of beauty for girls aged 3 to 12. Encourage your child's artistic expression with this rich and colorful makeup set. It comes with a portable case, making storage and travel a breeze. Let their creativity shine as they experiment with different looks. This kit provides a fantastic first step into the world of makeup and self-expression. What we like. This is the ultimate set for aspiring young makeup artists, boasting a massive 66 pieces of washable, non-toxic cosmetic toys. If your child is ready to explore a wide range of colors and techniques, and you want a safe, easy-to-clean option, this is the one. It's perfect for birthdays and encouraging creativity in older kids too. What people say. This makeup set is a great gift for little girls who love to play dress-up. The set includes a variety of pretend makeup items like lipstick, eyeshadow, and blush, as well as fake nails. The makeup is designed to look realistic but is not actual makeup, making it safe for children. Number 1. SAVILAND 3D Kids Press-On Nails. Introducing our dazzling 3D press-on nails, perfect for your little ones. Get ready for some magical nail transformations. These pre-glued, full-cover nails are designed for effortless application. They're a fun and simple way for kids to express their style. Specially sized for children aged 5 to 9 years, these short, stick-on nails fit comfortably and look adorable. They're the ideal accessory for any occasion. Our artificial nail tips are made with safety in mind. They provide a beautiful finish without causing any harm to natural nails. Looking for a special Christmas gift? These festive fake nails are a fantastic present that will bring joy and excitement to any child. With 7 packs included, there are plenty of designs to choose from. Let their creativity run wild with endless possibilities. What we like. This product focuses specifically on press-on nails, offering a fun and easy way for kids to accessorize. If your child loves to experiment with different looks and wants to add a touch of glamour to their fingertips without any mess or glue application, this is a great option. It's perfect for parties or just a fun activity. What people say. The makeup set includes a variety of colorful eyeshadows, lipsticks, and blush, all designed to look realistic. The fake nails are press-on and come in different sizes and designs, making them easy for kids to apply. The set also includes brushes and applicators, allowing for creative play and exploration of different makeup looks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.